How to get free stuff on Temu. Now in this video, I'm going to show you the top 3 ways on how you can get free stuff on Temu. So make sure you watch right to the end so you fully understand all the steps needed for you to get your free stuff on Temu today. So the first way is to become a Temu influencer. To become a Temu influencer, you must meet the following criteria. You must have a minimum of 1,000 followers on social media. You must be active on social media and post high quality content regularly. You must be able to generate creative and engaging content that promotes Temu products and services. And you must be able to drive traffic to Temu's website or app. Once you meet the criteria, you can apply to be a Temu influencer by filling out an application form. The application form will then ask you to provide information about your social media following, your content creation skills, and your goals as a Temu influencer. If your application is approved, they will invite you to join the Temu influencer program. As a Temu influencer, you will be able to earn commission on sales made through your referral links, as well as other benefits such as free products and cash prizes. Here are some tips on how to become a successful influencer. You have to create high quality content that is relevant to your audience. Your content must be visually engaging and appealing, and it should be relevant to the products and services that you're promoting. You must promote Temu products and services on a regular basis. So share your Temu content on social media and encourage your followers to check out the Temu website or app. You must be able to drive traffic to the Temu website or app. So you can do this by sharing your Temu content on social media, and you can also run some contests and giveaways and collaborate with some other influencers. And finally, you just want to be patient and persistent. It takes some time to build a successful influencer following, so don't be discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep creating content and keep promoting Temu products and services, and you'll eventually start to see great results. Now the second way is to use coupon codes. So if you go into the Temu website, you want to find an item that you want to purchase, then add it to your cart. When you click on the checkout button, you can actually enter a coupon code. So if you can find a certain coupon code that offers you a good deal, you want to go ahead and add that and then click apply. And then from there, the discount will be applied to your total order amount. After that, you can click on the place order button to complete your purchase. And here are some tips on using coupon codes. You first want to check the Temu website or app regularly for the latest coupon codes. Temu actually offers coupon codes for free gifts, discounts on free gifts, and other promotions. You want to be sure to read the terms and conditions of the coupon code before using it, because some coupon codes have restrictions such as a minimum purchase amount or a limited time validity. You can also find Temu coupon codes on social media, blogs, and other websites, but you want to make sure to use reputable sources to avoid getting scammed. And the third and final way to get free stuff on Temu is to share your Temu referral code. So here are a few ways on how you can actually share your referral code. You can share your referral code on social media. So you can post that referral code to social media profiles such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And you can also create a post or story about Temu that mentions your referral code. You can send your referral code to your friend. You can send your referral code to your friends and family. So send that code to your friends and family for a text message, email, or social media. And you can also print out your referral code and hand it out to people. You can post your referral code in online forums and communities. And this is a great way to reach people who are interested in Temu. And you can also use your referral code when you make a purchase. So when you make a purchase on Temu, you can actually use your own referral code to get a discount. And this is a great way to get free stuff on Temu and help your friends and family get free stuff on Temu as well. And here are some final tips on how you can share your Temu referral code. Make sure your referral code is visible and easy to find. When you share your referral code on social media, you want to make sure it's in a prominent place so people can easily see it. You also want to use a call to action such as use my referral code for free stuff on Temu. You want to be creative with your sharing. Don't just post your referral code in a plain text message. Get creative and make it fun and engaging. You can use images, videos, or even memes to share your referral code. And finally, you want to be patient. It takes time to build a successful referral program, so don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep sharing your referral code and you will eventually see some results. So that is exactly how you can get free stuff on Temu. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. And if you actually managed to get some free stuff from Temu for yourself, make sure to comment that down below as well to let people know that this actually does work. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.